Hi, this is Jason Lloyd from Forexsuggest, and today we are going to be taking a look at some of the top 5 best low-leverage Forex brokers. Be sure to like, subscribe, and click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. When trading currencies, leverage can be quite useful, as it is the use of borrowed funds that increases the trading position beyond that which would be available from the trader's cash balance alone. Brokers offer leverage of various ratios to traders, depending on the jurisdiction in which the broker falls along, with the regulatory entity through which the broker has authorization and regulation. Leverage allows traders to profit from relatively small price changes, as they occur in currency pairs, but traders run the risk of substantial losses, as well as their account balance can go into a negative should the broker not offer negative balance protection. Traders who are searching for a list of some of the top 5 best low-leverage Forex brokers should always consider finding themselves a fully regulated, safe, and reputable broker to trade with. So, in this video, we are going to be going through some of the top 5 best low-leverage Forex brokers. Coming in first at number 5 on our list, we have IG. IG was founded in 1974 and is regulated by the Financial Conduct Authority in the United Kingdom and the Australian Securities and Investments Commission in Australia, specializing in trading through Forex, indices, shares, commodities, options, and bonds. Featured platforms are available on the IG trading platform and the MetaTrader 4 platform. Both are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. IG only offers 2 main types of trading accounts and a demo account. The standard account is for retail day traders, and the more premium account for high net worth traders. The specific professional account requires certain criteria to be met regarding experience and trading capital, and allows greater levels of leverage in exchange for less regulatory protection. Their standard CFD account includes no setup fees or annual charges, access to demo accounts, live streaming charts, tools, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week customer phone support, and more. IG also provides their very own educational academy that delves into news and analytics, guides in risk management, webinars that you can register to, topics in strategy and planning, as well as their very own Academy mobile application for you to learn from if you are searching for any additional educational resources with IG. At number 4 on our list is HYCM. HYCM is a British Forex broker company that is based in London, founded in 2016, and has operational offices in Cyprus, as well as a presence in Hong Kong and Dubai. HYCM offers clients a variety of tradable market instruments, such as Forex, commodities, indices, energies, and more. HYCM offers the popular and well-known MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 trading platforms, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Accounts include fixed, classic, and a raw account, with lower minimum deposits, lower leverage, and a variety of tradable base currency options. HYCM also provides a variety of educational tools, such as Forex education, webinars, seminars, as well as videos that cover topics such as the world of global trading, the management of your capital, the psychology of trading, and more. HYCM also offers beginner courses, tutorials, trading strategies, and ebooks, which cover classes on assets traded on the platform, for you to browse through if you are looking to expand your trading education with HYCM. Coming in at number 3 on our list, we have Dukascopy. Dukascopy is an online fully regulated financial broker located in Geneva, Switzerland, with operating offices in Zurich, Riga, Hong Kong, Kyiv, Moscow, and Kuala Lumpur. Regulated by the Swiss Ministry of Finance, Dukascopy offers services and specializes in trading through Forex, indices, stocks, bonds, energies, commodities, ETFs, and cryptocurrencies. Available platforms are featured on the JForex and MetaTrader 4 platforms, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Accounts are available on LiveFX, current Swiss bank, and gold accounts, which are available in both live and demo accounts, with a variety of available account options for general Forex, binary options, and other trading. Dukascopy's accounts are tailored specifically to different types of trading and investment activity. Dukascopy also provides their very own learning center, which features beginner educational video tutorials that delve into topics such as platform functionality, various how-to guides, webinars you can sign up to, market news and analysis panels, as well as a large repository of written trading articles for you to browse through if you are looking for more trading education and to expand your knowledge with Dukascopy. At number 2 on our list is Scandinavian capital markets. Scandinavian capital markets was established in 2011 and is strictly regulated by the Swedish FSA in facilitating the trading of Forex, indices, metals, commodities, CFDs, and more. Scandinavian capital markets offers traders competitive trading conditions, along with trading tools, research sources, and also the hosting of superior customer support. Their accounts feature standard, premium, and custom STP and ECN accounts, with features like competitive spreads, low trading commissions, ultra-low latency, deep pools of liquidity, and more. Demo accounts and Islamic accounts are also available. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4 and the CTrader platform, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Scandinavian capital markets offers regular webinars with training on several topics for beginners and experienced traders alike. These include topics like how to trade using Fibonacci and more. If you ever missed a webinar, recordings are also available on their website or by subscribing to newsletters. Available information comprises company news, events, news and analysis, trading news, as well as a daily trading analysis video if you are looking for any additional education with Scandinavian capital markets. And coming in at number 1 on our list of some of the top 5 best low-leverage Forex brokers, we have Avatrade. Avatrade is an online, globally recognized, fully regulated financial broker, which was founded in 2006, is regulated by the Central Bank of Ireland, the ASIC, FSA, FSB, and the BVI. Over 200,000 traders choose Avatrade for their preferred financial broker. Avatrade specializes in trading through more than 250 instruments, which include more than 60 currency pairs, major stock indices, cryptocurrencies, commodities, bonds, individual shares, ETFs, and more. Their accounts feature retail, professional, spread bidding, standard, VIP, and crypto accounts, which include lower leverage, negative balance protection, risk warnings, and access to a variety of educational tools and services. Available platforms for accounts are featured on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, Avatrade's WebTrader, and also features their very own mobile applications known as Avatrade Options and Avatrade Go, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Avatrade also provides the absolute best comprehensive educational services, which cover in-depth trading guides and videos that delve into professional trading strategies, beginner lessons, introductions to advanced trading tools, trading safety, as well as a variety of ebooks that you can browse through if you are looking for a more in-depth educational experience with Avatrade. And those are some of the top 5 best low-leverage forex brokers on our list. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next. And let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with Forexsuggest, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.